All right, we're back in the shop again, trying to get some things wrapped up where we can get these machines ready to go on our next ride. Stay tuned. Maybe something exciting happens.
Maybe.
Or like Doug says, maybe he just won't suck. All right, what we gotta get done today is we gotta get the all-terrains back on Rowdy. We gotta do the same thing on Willie, and there's a few other odds and ends we need to wrap up before we jump on what's probably gonna take more than one day. Might save it till next weekend. Is Angry. It has a ton of stuff we need to knock out. So we already got Rowdy on the jack. We're gonna go ahead and get these tires off. Oh, we got to remember, Doug. We got to. Well, I guess you will learn something today. We got to knock out the studs. Some of the studs are stripped on Rowdy, so we'll show you how to do that without having to take the hubs off and disassemble anything. So stay tuned. Already starting off, Dylan.
What's wrong with it?
There's blood up there.
Where could you have gotten mud from?
You don't know why we got these tires on here. You need to go back and watch our last riding vlog. What vlog was that? 47, 48?
47, 48, yep.
Something that stuff.
You'd have it reverse, right?
Huh?
You had it reverse, right?
Yeah, I did. That would have sucked if I did. That sun was definitely coming off.
I was gonna say, may not have been stuck before, but it's stuck now.
It's too early. Like we literally just started this damn thing. We already. Go the other way. Maybe we'll break this son bitch loose. There we go. So what I'm doing is going to the proper cycle route. I have to do a step down because I have broken.
Mm-hmm.
The step down before, so I'd rather not do that this time. I say these have been off since then, but I guess they haven't. When that sled thing,
Mm-hmm.
that's I did
There's the other side, yeah. Definitely wasn't in reverse.
You son of a bitch. You want to roll that?
Yeah.
Put that on that pallet over there.
Yeah.
Here,
You want to take this?
I'll take y'all with me.
Yeah.
Let's see what. So I actually have to go find the stock lug nuts because the wheels we're putting back on are the stock ones we use part that originally came on the machine. That one needs to be replaced. No, you can tell right here, threads are just damaged. I know it looks like dirt and rust, but there's no threads there anymore.
Yeah, see it indented right there.
Yeah. So you roll it to where, look on the back side there, Doug. Let them see that. You roll it until you got an open spot. Grab our favorite tool, a hammer.
This is universal.
And line it up. Knock it out. And so from there, right there, better shot of it. Right, from there we'll go get our new one, and then also once we put this through, this will allow us to pull the stud through without having to take it off. So essentially put it on the back side of where you knocked it out at. Oh. Keep it in the same spot. Put that on. And so you just so you see how this one's seated right here? It should be seated about the same there. And so from there, back that off. Check your threads. Now I didn't give a bunch of Doug.
I was gonna say.
You just tighten it up. As soon as you feel it's at the same distance as the other ones, stop. But you can damage these threads and then you're back to where you were before. So this oversized nut where you can put over it that's loose, put it on there. This is why I have so many stripped.
No.
Studs.
Just gotta be luck, don't it? That's your what?
That's how foot-pounds of torque I put on it to get it close. I know there's official out there and I've years tried to follow by it, but same results happen. They don't come off. This is quicker. Less of a headache. I think you get to do the next one.
Okay.
Next vehicle.
Shit. What's the matter? Uh-oh. It's crazy because you're really gentle with these. How does that happen?
I have no idea. All right, one side down, one side to go. So Doug can get the, you got it out?
No. See how it looks like it's been cross-threaded in there? I think it's part of that. It's been pushed back. It almost looks flat, right here.
Well,
You have any extra of those?
you try to get a pick on it?
No, I thought there was a pick in there. I just found a little flathead screwdriver, but let's see, you gotta be able to break it loose somehow.
It felt like it was coming to a stop. Yeah, look at it now.
Yeah, you can see it's up.
Yeah.
And those threads look flat in there.
They do, huh? Let me see what I got. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. I have no idea where these are from.
It's probably the right ones. Been using the wrong ones this whole time. They look the same, identical, right?
Yeah, they're identical.
Is it a little longer or no? No, they're the same.
I put them in.
All right, so we know this is the bad guy.
Yeah, throw that sucker away.
No, I think we should mix it back in with his bag.
If you're ever wondering to yourself, should I keep old lug nuts? The answer is yes. Didn't know, so. Dude, it just looks so different
Yeah, that's like a different machine, isn't it?
with those tires versus the other tires.
You know, CDL to drive this thing.
I think you use the other leg to get a second workout in.
What's that?
Your legs are gonna be lopsided. Actually, we go get the stock studs for this.
Mm-hmm.
Not studs, lug nuts. I think we need one stud on this back tire though. So bring that in the hammer. And the pick.
I'm getting all the things that you asked for. Favorite tool, replacement. Try to stab you with that pick.
Yeah. I never remember having this problem when I used to mud rat all the time.
Did you take your wheels off a lot though?
Yeah, I want to say we took them off. Right. Oof, it's probably the damaged one. Can I make it? Oh no, I don't want to hit that.
I was gonna say.
That ain't worth the risk. Well, that don't look bad, huh?
Mm-mm.
None of them did. I got it, Doug. Don't worry, man.
I started to go and then you got it.
They're starting to take applications.
The title for whatever Doug does.
Over here. got damage one over here.
Yep.
That's
the one you saw during this sled, right?
Yeah. You put any thought into where we want to go for the next guy's trip?
I mean, a couple ideas. Just if the time allows it, I guess.
Yeah.
But like a couple places in Georgia, and then Alabama or Tennessee.
That the old Durham town.
Mm-hmm. Oh, is it still called? It's something Durhamtown, isn't it?
No, it's Georgetown. Or Georgia Off-Road Adventure or something like that.
Gotcha. So,
That's one.
okay, we'll get that out of the camper here in a minute.
Works every time, 60% of the time.
So what happens is when you break your brake line,
We weren't wanting to keep that, were we? Now I make sure I got like 2 or 3 threads on there before I start this. You don't want to just be yanking on one thread.
looks good.
That smells smoky. Went a tad bit too far on that one. You smell that?
Just don't say anything. Put the wheel on. We can wrap this up.
This is our
It looks-
machine.
I mean, it's yeah, you're good.
This is not a customer's machine.
We would never film on a customer's machine. I thought it wasn't gonna go on. I'm like, are you kidding me? Just tight.
Not smooth. But as we learn,
Same deal.
son of a bitch.
That's like a golly, like a whole other bolt in there. Actually, I think there is. You see that?
The tip of something?
Yeah, I think it's a screw facing this way. Look at the base of it. It's almost like the bottom of the head. See, there's a gap around it.
Oh, son of a bitch. Holy shit.